Good day friends, this channel for mechanical engineering. This channel is your pocket dictionary of mechanical. This channel contains our basic entry question and answer, mechanical design, software of Creo, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, ANSYS, etc. and protection and quality departments related. So please subscribe KPS Make English channel. If you like videos, please share your friends.
Hello friends, are you studying mechanical engineer? Or you go to any interview? So, very useful, commonly asked in an interview for mechanical engineering. Just 200 questions and answers. We give the 10 parts of videos. Every part 20 questions and answers given. You prepare the basic knowledge for mechanical engineering interviews. Part 3, question number 41. Why pistons are usually dished at top? Answer. Pistons are usually hollowed at top. First one, provide greater space for combustion. Second one, increase the surface for flue gases to act upon. And third one, better distribution of stresses. Question number 42. What is the function of thermostat in cooling system of an engine? Answer. Thermostat ensures optimum cooling because excessive cooling decreases the overall efficiency. It allows cooling water to go to radiator beyond an predetermined temperature. Question number 43. What are the causes of failure of boiler tubes? Answer. Boiler tubes usually are made from carbon steel and are subject to high rates of heat transfer. Second one, bending stresses due to uneven heating escapably at expanded or weld joints into heater or drums. Third one, external aeration from burners and fuel gases. Fourth one, possible corrosion on the boiler side. Fifth one, essential manufacturing defects. Failure may occur due to following reasons. 1. High thermal ratings may lead to rapid failure if the internal fluid flow is reduced for any reason. The resultant overheating leads to a failure by grip, characterized by the bulging of the tube with the eventual development of a longitudinal split. Second one, fatigue cracking due to bending stresses occur. These are associated with change of sections and or weld undercut, where tubes are expanded or welded into headers. Third one, failure may arise due to overstressing of a reduced sections of metal. Fourth one, sudden failure of the boiler tube due to corrosion arises from embrittlement of the carbon steel due to interaction between atomic hydrogen from the corrosion process and the iron carbide present in the steel. Fifth one, defects in tube manufacture, although far from being a regular occurrence, can be caused of serious trouble. Lamination in boiler tips are score marks arising from the cold drawing of tips give rise to premature failure and may promote corrosion at these regions. Question number 44. What are the cases of failure of superheated tips? Superheated tips are subjected to the most severe combinations of stresses, temperature and corrosive environment. In addition to high temperature, strength resistance to corrosion is also important. For example, low alloy ferrite steel such as 1% of chromium, 1% of molybdenum would not be used as metal temperatures above 580 degrees Celsius because of inadequate resistance to corrosion and oxidation of overall full service life of 1 lakh to 1,50,000 hours. Failures in superheated tips may arise from 1. Prior fabrication history. Second one, faulty heat treatment. Third one, consequence of welding. Fourth one, overheating of tube metals. Fifth one, gas side corrosion. Sixth one, stresses corrosion. That is austenitic steels. Question number 45. Why supercritical boilers use less amount of steel compared to non-supercritical boilers? Answer. Supercritical boilers do not head heavy drum for separation of steam from mixture of water and steam. Question number 46. Out of electric heater and heat pump, which is economical, is in operation? Answer. Heat pump. Question number 47. Which furnace burns low as fusion coal and retains most of the coal as in the slug? Answer. Cyclone furnace. Question number 48. Count the thickness of thermal boundary layer and thickness of hydrodynamic boundary layer later. Answer. Ratio of their thickness. Brennan-Tunnel number 1/3. Brennan-Tunnel number minus 1/3. Ratio of their thickness. Question number 49. What is the effect of friction on flow of steam through a nozzle? Answer. To decrease both mass, flow rate and wetness of steam. Question number 50. Why gas turbine power plant needs efficiency compressor? Answer. Because a large portion of turbine work is eaten away by compressor and its inefficiency will affect net power output and cost of generation. Question number 51. Why rockets using liquid hydrogen have higher specific impulse compared to liquid hydrocarbon? Answer. Liquid hydrogen has higher burning velocity. Question number 52. Why axial flow compressor is preferred for gas turbines for aeroplanes? Answer: because it has low frontal area. Question number 53. What is the effect of intercooling in gas turbines? Answer: it decreases thermal efficiency but increases net output. Question number 54. Why isooctane is chosen as reference fuel of SI engines and allotted 100 value for its octane number? Answer: isooctane permits highest compression without causing knacking. Question number 55. Why thermal efficiency of IC engines more than of gas turbine plant? Answer: in IC engine, maximum temperature attained is higher than gas turbine. Question number 56. Which are the reference fuels for NAC reacting SI engines? Answer: N-heptanes and isooctane. Question number 57. When effect of variations in specific heats is considered, then how do maximum temperature and pressure vary compared to air standard cycle? Answer: temperature increases and pressure decreases. Question number 58. Quantities like pressure, temperature, density, viscosity, etc. are independent of mass. What are these called? Answer: intensive properties. Intensive properties. Question number 59. The amount of radiation emitted per SM per second is called? Answer: emissive power. Question number 60. At last question, this part of. In convection heat transfer, if heat flux intensity is doubled, then temperature difference between solid surface and fluid will. Answer: get doubled. Okay friends, this part end. Next part, important questions, 20 questions coming. Thank you friends.